All right, this is chapter 2, lesson 7. Okay, it says add 3-digit numbers. It doesn't say estimating, right? So we don't have to round. Exactly. It says when you add, you may need to regroup. Okay, it's just a fancy way of saying that you have to carry. Okay, obviously, if the answer is 12, I'll put the 2 down and carry the 1, right? So they give you an example right here. It says during a weekend trip to Vermont, the Wildlife Club saw 127 wrens and 58 eagles. How many wrens and eagles did the Wildlife Club see? Okay, it says find 127 plus 58. We're just adding. So they have 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. Now, is this correct if I just put 15 on right here? No. I have to regroup. What that means, okay, I have to carry the number in the tens place over. So I put the 5 down, and I carry the 1 in the tens place right here. And I carry the 1s in the tens place. Now I'm adding all the numbers in the tens place, right? So 2 plus 5 is, hold on, 2 plus 5 is 7, and then the 1 that I carry is 8. Do you have to regroup here? No, because 8 is a single digit. And then 1 plus 0, is 1. So it says estimate 1,258. This is 60, 130. We have those around 190. So 185 is close to 190, right? Because the 5 tells me to add 1 to 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. And replace the 5 with zeros. That's how we round. But we're just adding here. Says add the 1s. We did that. 7 1s plus 8 1s is 15 1s. So regroup 15 1s, okay, as 1 10 and 5 1s. So that's why we put the 5 in the 1s place and carry the 1 in the 10s place. Then it says they add the 10s. So we had 1 10s, the 10 that we carried at the top, plus 2 10s, plus 5 10s, that equals 8 10s. Did we have to carry anything or regroup anything? No, because 8 was a single digit. Okay, and then it says add the hundreds. 1 plus 0, or 100 plus 0 hundreds is just 100. So check your work. It says 185 is close to the estimate of 190. It makes sense. It is reasonable, yes. So 127 plus 58 is 185. So the wildlife saw 185 wrens and eagles.
3-digit addition. To find the sum of 582 and 268, we can use base 10 blocks and a place value chart. 582 has 2 1s, 8 10s, and 5 hundreds. 268 has 8 1s, 6 10s, and 2 hundreds. We are going to add these 3-digit numbers. First, we can add the 1s. 2 1s plus 8 1s equals 10 1s. We regroup because 10 1s is the same as 1 10. So we put our new 10 here and write 1 10 here. We aren't left with any 1s, so we write a 0 in the 1s place. Next, we add the 10s. We will need to regroup. 1 10 plus 8 10s equals 9 10s. 9 10s plus 6 10s equals 15 10s. We regroup because 10 10s is the same as 100. We put the new 100 here and write 1 here to show the new 100. Now we have 5 10s, so we write a 5 in the tens place. Now we add the hundreds. 100 plus 5 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. 600 plus 200 equals 800. We write an 8 in the hundreds place. So 582 plus 268 equals 850.
Here's another example they give you. It says you can write a number to find the unknown or missing number. It says one box of butterfly nets costs $175. Another box costs $225. How much do the boxes of nets cost altogether? So the key word here, altogether, means to do what? What operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? What? Addition. So when you need to add. It says write a number sentence to find the unknown. Okay. The unknown, guys, is basically my answer. Do I know the answer yet? So they take 175 plus 225 and they add. 5 plus 5 is 10. It says I put the 0 down here, and what do I have to regroup? 1. Then it's then I have to add the tens. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus the 1 that I regroup 10. Again, here's a 0 there, and what do I have to regroup? The 1. Now I have to end the hundreds. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 more 4. So when I add 175 plus 225, I get 400. Okay. So use commutative property to check your answer. Now I have to do the opposite. So if I added 175 plus 225, 175 plus 225, if I added those numbers, 10, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 more is also 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. And when it says to do the commutative property to check my answer, I just have to flip them. Now I have to go 225 plus 175 to make sure I got it correct. Well, let's see. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 1 more is also 10, carry the 1 or regroup the 1. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus the 1 that I carried, 4. Now it's 4. So 175 plus 225 is 400. So the unknown is 400. So how much did both boxes of nets cost? 400. Go ahead and do number 1 for me, please. All right, let's go ahead and do those, as we should have. 4 plus 7 is 11. Is that right? No, what do I need to do?
Carry the 1.
Regroup or carry the 1 into the tens or the hundreds place. It's just right next door. Right there. Now I'm ready. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus the 1 that I carried or regroup? 8. Do I have to regroup? No, because 8 is a single digit. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so if I don't have to carry anything, then there's nothing that goes right here, right? It's just 1 plus 0, which is 1. All right, look at number 2. 6 plus 9 is 15. I put the 5 down, and then I regroup the 1 in the tens place. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. Now, do I have to carry a 1 or regroup a 1 here? No, I don't, because 8 is a single digit. So now what's 1 plus 2 then?
3.
Great.